The DWX723 heavy-duty mitre saw stand is designed to work with all brands of mitre saws. Lightweight aluminum construction, 29 pounds, allows for easy transport and leg lock levers allow quick setup. 5.5 feet. Beam extends to support up to 16 feet of material and up to 500 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The universal design of the DEWALT mitre saw stand works with all brands of mitre saws. Number 2. Lightweight aluminum construction, 29 pounds, of DEWALT mitre saw stand allows for easy transport to and from the job site. Number 3. 5.5 feet. Beam extends to support up to 16 feet of material and up to 500 pounds. Number 4. Legs provide superior support and fold for easy storage. Number 5. Leg lock levers allow for a fast and easy setup. Number 6. Mitre saw mounting brackets allow easy and secure mounting of mitre saw to stand. Number 7. Work stops, supports can be repositioned quickly anywhere along the rail. Number 8. Non-marring feet on tool mount will not scratch material. Number 9. Extension lock levers allow for fast and secure tightening of extensions. Number 10. Mitre saw not included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.